Gold and silver both have seen a sharp drop but have recovered strongly. In fact, gold went below 1980 but failed to breach past 1975 levels and recovered strongly. At the same time, silver went to its next support and the double bottom levels at 2450 for the near term. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a rise or is it going to drop? If yes, which position we should take at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. To watch that also. For live market updates, you can be part of my free Telegram channel. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts. Let's start with the hourly chart. Now see the highs there first of all, and yesterday, as I said, 2002 2005 levels you should watch out for. Precisely it stayed below these levels and have seen a good drop. Now look at the movement there. See the consolidation, first series of drop, then the retracement to the same levels, and then this next series of drop, and lower lows are seen here. Now again trying to retrace, and this is the, so see, if you connect these dots here, you will find that almost since multiple candles you will find it is trying to trade with divergence, but at the same time you can see this bottom is almost at the same level. So this is still trading in the box here. You can find out, you can see this, it is still trading in the box, not willing to give up the position. Now if you look at the near term hourly chart, see the base here at 82 levels, then this rise, see retracement, and then this rise. So this is in the series of bullish candles, or it is trying to retrace here. Yes, once you see it trading beyond 1992, you can buy again, but then expect 95 and 2000 levels as the next resistance. 2000 levels is something which is going to give it a very good resistance. At the same time, any move below 1982 you can sell. Rather, in fact, you can sell at 85, but then I will wait for it to break past 82 and 80 zone, which is a very good support. Now further, let's have a look here. See the stochastic has dropped and trying to recover. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over, trading with little divergence on the hourly charts, and it is looking upwards. RSI is almost trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise drop. See this candle, you can see this candle failed to, the red one, it has a very long tail and a very small body. Prices fail to stay lower, and then we can see it rising here. So certainly 1995, 1908, 2000 till 2000 it has got very good resistance, and we can see this in previous candles also. So yes, you can buy at 92, but then be alert till 2000 2002 levels. In fact, till 2005 levels you should be alert for gold. It can reverse again, because see this is retracement, and after the retracement there is a possibility of a reversal again. See stochastic looking up, showing bullishness. MACD is trying to convert crossover for a buy. RSI almost flat and trying to look upwards. And if you look at 3 hour, now see the pattern, beautiful pattern on the 3-hour charts. See first of all this rise, higher highs, one drop, then retracement, second drop, second strong red candle, and now retracing here again. How far it can retrace? See, most of the times we have seen it hitting those levels, but slightly I think lower low should be there, and possibly once it stays beyond 1992 you can expect 95, and then see 1995 certainly going to give it a good resistance, and then beyond that it is directly going to get the resistance at around 2000 levels. Till 2000 2005 let's be cautious and alert. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to convert crossover, RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour chart, first of all, see previously we were looking at higher lows, higher highs, and this time this candle specifically breached this channel here. Breaching the channel certainly is a bearish indication. It failed to stay below, but possibly it might help to diverge the Bollinger Bands here. It failed to stay below the Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a slight retracement. But these levels, you can see multiple candles getting the support at around 70-75 zone. You can see this, and then 80-85 zone. So this zone is definitely very important for gold. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. See higher lows, almost flat bottom, flat top here. Let it break past 1992, you can buy there, expect a little rise, but then certainly 2000, and in fact if it breaches on the upside it might show higher levels, this time again probably till So if it stays above 2000, certainly we can expect 2005, 2010, which is definitely going to be a good resistance and a reversal level for now. Stochastic is trying to look upwards. MACD slightly bearish, trying to converge. RSI almost flat. And if you look at the daily, now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, two bearish candles. But if you look at these two candles, most importantly, this has carried a very smaller body there, and a very long tail indicated the prices are not willing to stay bearish. At the same time, lower highs, lower lows, and now I will wait for it to break past 2000 levels, beyond which it is going to be considered for a reversal. Now, certainly one thing is also you should observe that is giving me a worry here is the breakout on the downside. For this, you can see multiple candles were getting support at the lower end of this channel. This time it is breached on the downside. So for the day, yes, below 1985 you can sell, but then 80 to 80 we should watch out for. 82 and 80 very good support here, very nearby but very good support. But below 80 you can again expect that it is going to drop sharply, and then we can expect 74, 70 levels. Stochastic looking down. MACD is bearish here. It is divergent still and it is looking down here. RSI is also trying to look downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today 2002 levels, but then be careful of 2005 and beyond 2005 further bullishness is going to be seen. Those who 1992 levels, yes, you can buy at 1992 levels. Expect 95 first target, 2000 next target, then 2000 to 2005 the next resistance zone, and beyond that 2000 tone. Now remember, in a day you can see multiple swings. With the Asia session right now running away, the Europe session will bring definitely a little swing, and then the US session. In between that, there are going to be news. So market has lot many factors which decides the price, and hence we have to always trade with caution. When I say there are resistances, you have to keep booking the profits and keep re-entering. That is what the life of a trader is. So US above 1992 you can buy here, and a sell entry at 85 can be taken, but then 80 to 80 levels, it needs to breach 1980, 1982 with force in order to confirm the bearishness. Below that, again 75, 70 are the targets, and below that, if it breaks below 70, it is going to trade extremely bearish. Now also, if you look at the daily charts, you will find lower highs, higher lows. This time it has breached the channel, that is a bearish indication. Now till 2000 possibly you have to cautious. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness will prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. See, yesterday just one spike and it went close to 25-20 levels, and a drop. The equally tried to got till the double bottom levels at 24.50. Now it is certainly trading in this box here, 25.20, 24.50 level. But what has happened after the drop? You can see sharp drop and then this rise here. Now right now it is giving a flat top there. So possibly once it stays above $25 levels, you can buy here for 25.10, which is a very good resistance. Remember, multiple candles getting rejected at $25, 25.10, and then 25.20. If 25.20 is breached, certainly more bullishness is going to prevail. Now look at the hourly chart. See the sharp drop and a pullback. And if you look at greener candles, retracement, and then this greener candle trying to retrace. So possibly once it breaks past 2000, it is going to do it with force. To 2500, it is going to do it with force. Stochastic dropped and now rising. MACD crossing over for a buy. RSI looking down. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation here. See the drop, and most importantly, see the candle here. Very long tail and a smaller body means prices are not willing to stay at lower levels. Also, if you just ignore this drop, you will find it is still very much in this consolidation. Right now, possibly we may see it hitting 25-25.10 levels, and in fact it can break past 25.20 also if it does with a force. Stochastic looking up. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is flat here. Now look at the 3-hour chart. Now see on the 3-hour charts, almost flat top, and look at these two candles. So almost getting the support here at 24.85. That is a very strong observation here. Now this candle with a tail here, this indicates that there could be a pullback, and the pullback is going to be stronger in silver. Because the previous candle has a long tail, this candle also might try to create a tail and then show you the pullback. So be careful, it can break out any point of time. Stochastic looking up. MACD is at bottom here. See, multiple times is crossed over. It is again trading in green with little divergence. RSI flat. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour charts, one important observation is these three candles very beautifully aligned here, and the highs are almost at the same levels. Now closure of this candle at around 24.90, and then the next candle starting below 24.90 is a bearish sign for silver here. So for the day, I will recommend you to sell silver at 24.80 and buy at 25. In between these 20 cents, do not take a trade in silver. Very clear. 24.80, $25 levels, do not take a trade. Yesterday it was 25.90, 24 and 24.90 and 25.10. Now it is shifted lower. Now also, if you look at the 4-hour charts, you will find the spikes giving lower highs, and this time double bottom levels are seen. So wait for it to break past 25.20 today and just stay long. If it breaks past 25.20, that should be considered for a reversal. And if you look at the stochastic on the 4-hour charts, flat, MACD flat at bottom, RSI also flat. And if you look at daily charts, now look at daily charts, it has formed a tail with the support at 24.80. Previous candle was a green candle after a couple of red candles, now trying to look upwards. Wait for it to break past 25.20, and then beyond that it is going to give you very good bullish candle, which might take it for 25.40, 25.60 level. And certainly it has seen the support at 24.50 levels and now trying to recover from here, lower highs. Now just stay long about 25.20 and we can see more bullishness. Stochastic flat, MACD here is divergent and bearish, and see the candle size is almost flattened here, so there is possibility of a little conversion here. And the RSI is also dropped, it was trading overbought early. Considering this, just buy at 25, sell at 24.80. In between this, do not take any trade. Below 24.80 also, be cautious for 24.70 and then 24.50. These two levels are very important. On the upside, yes, and remember, once it breaks below 24.50 today, we can see further drop where it can drop for 24.20 or $24 levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 25, but then 25.10, 25.20. Remember, if it breaks beyond 25.20 today, stay long. We are going to look at 25.40, 25.60 levels, and it is in fact going to give you a further rise. So the zone at 24.40, 25.40, 25.60 on the upside is going to be a very good resistance zone. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.